Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is you can see here, this is LG brand front loader washing machine, DD motor, twin one, that's twin washer and dryer machine. This machine having problem actually after selecting any wash option. It is from the beginning until end machine is working without any problem. But if you select while customer selecting any dry option, from the beginning is getting totally getting shut down. That's been actually tripping power breaker also. Because of that, now I'm going to check this one and we will go to the next step. Also, I will show you how to repair this machine. I already given power connection. I will select direct spin cycle. Machine starting without any problem, but if you selecting any dry option, at the same time it's getting power off. Because of that only we collected to the machine to repair. Because this one as per the customer we have to service, also full service. We have to remove the machine. Anyway, now I will remove the top cover. After that we can understand heater and sensors and thermostat, everything we have to check properly. If it is any shortage, we have to repair and we will go to the next step. Now I'm going to remove the top cover. Here this is the lock. This is 2 screws. Also here also 2 screws. We have to remove only the down screw only we have to unscrew, other one no need. It will come with the top cover. Only 2 screws we have to unscrew. Slide that. Now dear, okay, we can take it out the top cover. Slide that, it will come. Now we can take it out. Yes dear, you can see here now. Now dear friends, you can see here what is the problem actually. Simply we can resolve the issue. These wires already here is came out. Here this both wires. See dear friends, this heater wire is came out. Here it's like that, it came out actually. That wire only touching with the body. At the same time power tripping. Also we will check other one also. This is generator, steam generator, and we have to check the continuity. I will check the continuity here. Now I'm going to check the heater. Yes dear, heater is okay. We will check any ground or something. No, nothing. Actually here also thermostat connector also came out. The thermostat also okay, showing continuity. Yes dear, thermostat also okay, but these 2 wires we have to repair. And also here also something actually happened. Yes my dear, it is bitten by the rat, I am thinking here. This one you can see here. This wire also came out. We will remove the connector here. You can see it is bitten by the rat. Otherwise I'm not actually. Yes, that wire also came out. That one also should be, it's happening, it's touching with the body. At the same time also it will get short. At the same time power breaker will trip. Now we have to repair this 2 wires. Also here this one. After that our problem will get resolved. Anyway, we will repair this. After that we can check. First we will remove this connector. I'm going to remove here this clip, also this clip. Now this one you can see here, it is already burned. If I'm using again, it's not nice actually. It will happening. Because of that, I'm going to replace this both wires. I'm going to replace these two wires. I'm going to replace this both wires because it is short actually. While shaking, spinning time and washing time, while shaking tub, this wire is short. Because of that, it will get damaged again. That's the reason I'm thinking. But not bitten by the rat. But here I don't know, it is bitten by a rat. It's like that. Anyway, first we will finish this wire. I will clean this one, and I'm going to replace the wire connector. I'm using for the red wire only, this one only, the red, for the red only, as same red color. Also for the blue wire, I will fix this wire. Just here for the blue, I'm going to use this, and we will solder in this one. I'm a little bit extend because while top moving time, it should be a distance. Because of that, now if like this moving, it's not happening again as same before. Because of that, I'm keeping like that. But anyway, now we have to solder in this one. Now I have to insulation. I have to do the insulation. It's okay, dear. Heat aside. We'll remove this bracket because I have to check the blower also. Okay. And here also two screws I have to remove. After that, easy to do the job. Now it's okay, dear. Now I have to repair this one also. This one also is broken actually. Reason it's not bitten by the rat, but that one also broken anyway. Yes, dear. Now it is difficult to soldering here. Because of that, I'm going to replace the connector. I'm going to replace this connector. It is as same. You can see here. This is the way. This side is coming like that. Now I will fix and I will show you. Here I will remove inlet valve also because it's not enough space to do the job. Because of that, I removed already. Now we can take it out. Now enough space, you can do whatever. You can see here, this way it should come. Here it will come like that. And also this one, also same way, same side. You can see here, the connector is same. Now This way it should come. This is okay. The yellow wire and middle black, here white. But according to this code, yes dear, it is before somebody repair this one, because it's not, the color code is not the same. Color codes are not the same, because this yellow not available, but here is showing yellow, also black and white. In this one blue, brown and white. Now we have to check. It's look like it's coming blue first. Now dear friends, this color code actually I have to check with the system. Otherwise the same machine I have to check. I will check it is whether available in my shop, the same machine. If it is same machine available, it is nothing to worry. Otherwise it's changing, it's not good. Because of that we have to check the same color code. Because of that I will check another machine, thinking this color code somebody change. Because of that I will remove here insulation tape, because it is maybe joint in between. Yes my dear, here also joint, you can see here. Earlier it's repair somebody. Here also joint. Yes dear, it is brown. Here they replace actually black one, he fix white one, earlier fix blue, you can see here. Yes my dear, it is now easy for us, no need to check any other machine or system. Now it's clear, the color code. Now this one black, white and yellow. Yes dear, it is the same. Now which is I'm going to fix connector. It is black, yellow, black, white. Now without any problem I can replace the wire connector. That's mean it should be the same. Now this connector I can fix like that. First we will connect the wire, after that we can fix here. We will cut here anyway. Also this one also. I have to insulation properly. With the connector, blower connector, now I can fix, I can check also. And heater connector also I fix it properly. Now I will connect here. Now it will come like that, you can see here. Now dear, okay. Now dear friends, I already fixed. Also I clean the machine. Now again I'm going to check machine. As same before, I will select dry option. And also I will show you how to select direct dry. Here time dry, you have to press one time. If you need 1 hour, 1:30, 2 hour, 2:30, also 20 minutes, that's mean only the spin. Now I'm selecting only the 30 minutes. Again I will go for the 30. Here 30 minutes, I have to cancel spin cycle. Now you can see it is 17 minutes. It is 57 showing. That means including RP the spin time. Now I have to cancel. After that it will come again 30 minutes. That means I'm going to cancel spin cycle here. You can see here it is 30 minutes came. Now I will start the machine. Now no any tripping, nothing. Door already got locked. Machine is running. Machine is start. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.